guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Again, my name is Amor and I'm from the Philippines.
My name is Jose. I am from Puerto Rico.
And
we are the
FilippineRicans. So for today's video guys, we are going to share to you some words that are similar in meaning in Puerto Rico Spanish and in Philippines. So let's go.
Cama, cocina, familia, zapatos, cuchara, camiseta, frutas, fuerza, rutinas, lápiz, azúcar, parque, manzanas, silla, plancha, parar, ventana, lazo, verde, trabajo, queso, provincia, papel, loco, guapo, brazo, hielo, radio, cuchillo, tenedor, plato, calabaza, café, reloj, vaso.
So that's all for today's video guys, and I hope you like our video. You can suggest a video that you want us to do guys in our comment sections. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hope to see you in our next video. That's all for now. See you. Gracias. Bye-bye.